Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Struggling to access your Netgear router login page? You've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through several straightforward troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and get you back online quickly. Let's jump in and fix it together. First, ensure your device is connected to the Netgear router's network. You can do this either through a wired connection using an Ethernet cable or via a wireless connection. Without being connected to the router's network, you won't be able to access the login page at all. Open your web browser and enter the correct IP address. For most Netgear routers, this will be either 192.168.1.1. You can also try routerlogin.net. If these don't work, you can find the IP address by checking your network settings. Occasionally, issues with your browser's cache can prevent access to the login page. To resolve this, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This process can vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but it typically involves going into the settings and finding the options to clear browsing data. Once you've cleared the cache and cookies, restart your browser and try accessing the login page again. Ensure that no VPN or proxy is enabled, as these can interfere with accessing local network resources like your router's login page. Disable any active VPN or proxy settings, then try accessing the login page again. If the problem persists, attempt to access the login page using another web browser or device. Occasionally, issues may be browser or device specific, so switching could resolve the connectivity problem. If none of these steps work, you may need to check your router's settings. Make sure the router is powered on and functioning correctly. You can also try restarting the router by unplugging it for a few seconds and then plugging it back in. As a last resort, you can reset your router to its factory settings. Locate the reset button on the router, usually a small hole that you'll need to press with a paperclip. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the router restarts. Keep in mind that this will erase all your settings, so you'll need to set up your network again.